Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today on another episode of What Did Moto Papa Receive? They are some carbon fiber pieces from Motocomposites. So the rear hugger, the instrument cover, as well as the sprocket cover. I was thinking about getting a Ducati bike or a CNC sprocket cover, right, to go right there, but those are expensive, and I decided to go with this beautiful little thing, which was half the price of what those sprocket covers were. Again, all of these are 100% carbon fiber from Motocomposites. They're in Canada, super fast shipping coming from Canada here to the States, especially here in LA. And so I will put them on and show you guys what they look like. So that's gone, or being replaced, and right up here. All right, stay tuned. All right, well there she is all put together with the new carbon fiber parts from Motocomposites. Instrument cover. I've got the sprocket cover. This was a little bit of a pain in the butt. All I had to do was remove this little nut, kind of move the quick shifter out of the way in order to get to the bolt right down there, right in there. So it was a kind of a pain to get it out and then put it back in, but didn't have to remove any of this stuff or any of this, just this one bolt. And then this was the biggest pain in the butt, but here's what it looks like. It looks absolutely awesome, but getting the bolt out here was a pain because the tire's in the way, and I didn't want to remove the tire, and I did not. But when there's a will, there's a way, and so I installed it. And this side was kind of a pain, but figured it out. Didn't have to, just using an Allen wrench, an L-shaped CNC bolt, and there you go. There you have it. Just coming along, guys. Next up, tackling these Dumbo mirrors with some bar end mirrors from Rizoma, as well as that tail tidy. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in.